Hi there, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix Roblox not launching on Windows 10. In order to fix it, so you simply want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First of all, you always want to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Sometimes it could be an issue with the internet. So what here you could do is right click on the Wi-Fi icon, go to network and internet. As you go to network and internet, select Wi-Fi, make sure to disable it for a couple of seconds. You could also try restarting your router. That could be able to help. You could also check for Windows update at the bottom of the page. So if you see any sort of update available and you want to do it, so that could also hinder your performance. So you want to make sure to install the updated version. And likewise, if the issue still persists on, it could also be the background running applications. If you have multiple applications running in the background, you want to close that up. To close it, so you want to go to the right hand side corner or just right click on the mouse anywhere at the bottom of the screen. Go to Task Manager, and here you'll need to go ahead and locate any of these applications or right click on the mouse to end the task. This is going to completely close the background running apps that could also be able to help. Despite that, the next thing you also want to do is when you locate Roblox player, right click on the mouse, click on Open File Location. On the next field, locate the file, then right click, go to Properties. As you go to Properties, you want to come to Compatibility, select Run this program in a compatibility mode for Windows 8, as well as run this program as an administrator. Click on Apply, click the OK button, close this tab, restart your PC, and once again to relaunch Roblox, right click and click on Run as an administrator. This is going to help you out to fix. Despite all that, if nothing works out, then the last alternative is to uninstall it and reinstall the updated version. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.